Exploring the magic of language. Flying broomstick. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, flying broomstick. This term conjures images of fantasy and folklore, but it's also a great example of how language can transport us to imaginative worlds. Let's explore what this phrase means and how it's used in English. The term, flying broomstick, is made up of two words, flying and broomstick. A broomstick is a long-handled brush used for sweeping floors, a common household item. The adjective flying is where the magic happens. It transforms the ordinary broomstick into something extraordinary, capable of flight. This phrase is often associated with witches and wizardry, where a broomstick is used as a mode of transportation, flying through the air. Flying broomstick is not just a random phrase. It has deep roots in folklore and literature. It's a staple in stories about witches, like in Shakespeare's Macbeth, or the modern Harry Potter series. These references have made the term symbolic of magic and fantasy. It's a great example of how certain phrases can gain cultural significance and evoke vivid imagery. While flying broomstick is rooted in fantasy, it's also used metaphorically in everyday language. For example, someone might say, "She sped through the project like she was on a flying broomstick," implying that the person was incredibly fast or efficient. It's a playful way to describe something that's done with remarkable speed or skill. There are variations of this phrase that you might come across. For instance, riding a broomstick, or witch's broom. These phrases similarly evoke images of witchcraft and magic. It's fascinating to see how a simple object like a broomstick can inspire so many different expressions. The phrase, flying broomstick, takes us on a journey from the mundane to the magical. It's a wonderful example of how language is not just a tool for communication but also a gateway to worlds of imagination and folklore. We hope this exploration has been both enlightening and entertaining. Keep soaring through the skies of language learning.